This is my smallest bedroom. I want a space for a double bed for my guest and some space where I can edit my videos. So I search and find this bed. This bed is over my budget. This is the cheapest that they have. So I decided to make my own. After I cleared my stuffs, I just needed to move this big cabinet. And then luckily, I got a free bed from my neighbor. I just brought it with me and this happened. But it's okay, I can still use the bed frame from the bed. This bed frame is from IKEA, so it's very easy to assemble. But you need batteries for the drills. Yeah. So I put it up. Yeah, this is life, man. This free bed had a metal bed frame, so I decided to use my old bed with these folding legs that I bought for $250. I took my old bed from the other room to my guest room. This is heavy for one person. I detached the center leg because I want to cover this part with plywood. Luckily, I got this plywood for free. This was used earlier for transporting oak wood and they said I can have it for free. Less expense means more savings. I measured the plywood with the corner bed. Then I draw a guideline to make it easier for me to cut it with this handsaw. Jigsaw is much better. Then I took my nail gun to make the process easier and faster. This corner part is a challenge because we can only use one side to nail the plywood. I got some cheaper 1x2 from the storage that I already sanded last summer. I measured one and clamped together. I adjusted the table saw to make the work faster, but these are too long. Then I went back to our old friend Jigsaw. A little bit of struggle to cut this because it's thick when combined together. And then I sand the corner to make it smoother. I did the same process for all the remaining woods. I just tape the gaps. And start painting. I choose a darker color so it would have a good contrast between the wood and the plywood. Now I just need to make sure that we have enough wood and it can cover the gaps and tapes. I was thinking to use glue, but I decided to use a nail gun to make it more durable. This is the cheapest 1x2 that I can find in the market. So usually it's bent and twisted like this. You just need to hammer it. Now the next problem is to attach the folding legs. So I need to put the bed down so it will be easier for me to attach the legs. It looks heavy duty and easy to attach. I just follow the instructions. I just drilled some screws on the 1x2 for additional safety because I'm attaching these legs directly to the wood and the bed. Yeah. I just did the same process to the other part, but one of the part cracked. So I just drilled the hole and put a new screw. Yeah, looks good. I try again to carry the bed by myself and I almost destroyed the left leg. Now I'm measuring the center of the bed because I want to create a simple lock to make the bed secure when standing. Yeah. These legs were included, but it's hard to attach and it doesn't look good. I was thinking to create my own legs that can be used as a shelf when standing. Luckily, I have two old shelves. I can position one shelf on each side to carry the weight of the bed evenly. Those two legs are slightly moving when I'm taking the bed down. I took some double-sided tape and placed both of the legs over it. I also noticed a gap between the bed and the wall. I got this old plywood that my neighbor threw. I cleaned it up. And repaired the hole. And I can use this as a headboard for my bed. I sanded it, painted it, and used the rest of the 1x2 woods that I cut earlier. I cut in the same sizes and voila! My guests now can sleep here, and then I can hide it when they leave. And use it as my editing space. Subscribe so you won't miss my future video. Here is the next video.